what you should start doing. Nature, Mother Nature, the sun. Bless the sun, bless the ocean, bless the sky, bring rain into Mother Earth. Let's fertile the land. Do that. Ask forgiveness for whatever wrong thing you have done, your family has done, or every person has done towards nature. Doesn't matter if you're a male or a female, you're still child of Mother Earth. Mother Earth built this body for you through many, many ways. Okay? Right. Even children. Children can be very beautiful. And start with the children about nature. Take them out, look at the tree, do divine fire. Start doing things like that. Simple, simple things. Nothing complicated. Look. Plant a tree. Plant more trees. People in some countries must plant lots and lots of trees. So they grow up and they be one in Mother Earth. They give us oxygen. They remove carbon dioxide. Plant some fruit trees. At least the animal can eat them. You don't want to eat them, it's fine. At least the animals will eat them. Okay? Right. Change the ways for your soul. Change your ways for your soul. Not for your mind. Change them for your soul. Because your soul is the one that's going to go up tomorrow. Give your soul a chance. Give your soul a chance.